one more question. See, the whole issue started because of hijab.
Yes.
Because hijab is also a personal right of someone.
Yes.
As like, it says constitutional right. So anything, because it started all from there.
Yeah, I would like to add to that everyone should be given that liberty to do as they like, because as I want my turban, it's the same way the other woman wants her hijab. So I think we should not have it forcefully removed. If the person wants to wear it, let them wear it. It's their right.
Since we also have secular India, I mean, we say it's secular, so let's even show that we are actually secular by allowing everyone to follow their own rights, and especially India being so diverse in so many religions, so they should be given the opportunity to practice their own religion in their own way. Thank you.
We are proud of our crown.